Oh, that was sexy. Oh, this fucking gay bitch right here. Notice me, senpai. Nah, man, real shit, dude. So I have this fucking fetish, dude. I've always wanted to put on like some red lipstick and like get on my hands and knees and kiss a woman's ass cheek and leave my lip mark up on that bitch. What you know about that? Oh shit, a cameo came in. Good shit.